So how do you get the pause button on an iPhone camera? Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step would be to go to the settings and check out the general section and software update. And if there is an update available, most definitely install it because it's possible that in the older versions of your software, you don't have the camera with these features, including the pause button. But running the latest version, which is 26.1, inside of my camera when I start recording a video, you can see that I do have the pause button right next to the shutter button, right? So I have the ability to pause the recording and then continue it anytime I want, right? So it does allow me to just pause it, move to a different location or whatever, and it will put it all together into one video clip, right? So that's pretty much really simple. It's working inside of the built-in application from Apple. Keep in mind, however, that there are some third-party camera apps on the App Store, and you don't have to necessarily stick with this, built-in camera app from Apple, right? So you can look up something like Blackmagic Camera or Filmic Pro, which is, a bit more professional, but those apps have the pause button as well, right? So if it doesn't work for you for whatever reason, in the Apple camera, you can also explore those third-party options. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if it worked. If there is something like a question, share that in the comments, but most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.